I've been creating more of these numbered fixture plates, and from Cam's feedback, I've put a little slot in the LED section because he said that was a little bit difficult for him to get out sometimes. So I made this circle bigger, put a little slot to the side just in case it does get stuck. So in our system, I've now added a suggested date for when the next is available based on what's in the system. So Patrick this morning came up to me and said about the micro eyelids and this plate, and he said the thing is that when you start loading this plate up and you're carrying these parts, these are so insecure that we create defects. And in fact, if you look here, that needs to be scrapped, that one needs to be scrapped, that one needs to be scrapped, that one needs to be scrapped. So we've created all these defects, all this waste, even that one needs to be scrapped as well, all this wasted material. And basically just as a result of just having the tray that's not deep enough. So he suggested making these trays 20mm deep. So here's the new micro eyelid tray with engraving etc to deal with the labelling issue. I was missing the invoice increment on the add order side, so I've now added that so that it copies the invoice through, and then it actually adds it to the adds it on each other order as it's added if it's got the same reference. I've now improved the invoice layout and actually added the quantity, unit price and line price, hoping that Dext will actually pick it up better. Currently I've got a problem where if I go to print this, the invoice actually comes through as just invoice with no reference. See if I can correct that. So now you can see in the header here it's got invoice 2014, so when I go to print, hopefully, yep, it works. Joe's light fell down, basically it needs this fixing. There we go, nice and secure. Cam's just come up to me and said, Eclipse's orders, which orders go with which, or are they all going out together? Obviously it's not clear, is it? There's no way, they just look literally just like Eclipse's orders, so let's fix that. So there we go, so now you can actually see the references to each order, and you can see Eclipse's there, these two are Lock Hill Rise, then this one is Alfriston Road, and this one's Peggy, so you can kind of see that there's actually separate